Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So you're going to be with me carving on site today. I'm going to be carving out this big pine stump here behind me. Got my tools set up on the truck and going to take you through it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and it's time to fire up some chainsaws. Hey, real quick, I'm trying to add links to the bottom of these carving videos for you guys. They're Amazon links. Those links will be to tools that I use throughout carving videos. When I use a tool in a video, I'll try to mention what that tool is and remind you that there's a link down in the description. If you purchase anything through those Amazon links, I get a kickback. I get some money for that purchase, and that money goes toward helping this channel grow, whether it be a new tool to show you guys, whether it be maybe getting a new camera or a couple cameras in the future to shoot some better videos, just stuff like that. So you can find safety gear, you can find chainsaw attachments. Pretty much the only thing I can't get links to at the moment are the chainsaws I use, because Amazon just doesn't carry a steel chainsaw, but they do carry attachments and grinders and all that cool stuff. So be sure to check that stuff out. Let's get going on this project though. Real quick before you go, I just want to thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe to my channel. When you hit subscribe, be sure to hit the little bell that pops up. That way there you can be alerted when I have some new videos uploaded. I thank you guys again. You can follow this link right here to hit subscribe. Check out some of these videos that are popping up, and I'll see you next time.